All right, young physicists, today is going to be a bit of an experiment. I have not used this page much at all over the course of the year, but it does have a lot of good things for us to practice as we get ready for our final and our exam. I have assigned these two free response questions for today. Now, part of this is just to brush you back up on those basic kinematic problems. The other one is for me and you a little experimentally to figure out how this web page is going to work. Because like I said, I don't have a lot of experience with it. You're looking for questions that look like this. Let me pull it up. There's one about an object rolling down an incline, and you're going to answer a few of those questions there. And then there's another question about an astronaut throwing a rock up, and that rock then falls off of a cliff. One thing that I'm curious about is how are we going to respond here as we're doing remote learning. You can upload files here, PDF, JPEGs, GIFs, PNGs, text, and all of those things straight on here. So if you're wondering how do I get a document into those formats that are acceptable, here's an open Google Doc, and when I type something in here, so I'll just type this test 1. I have there is a options to download this as to different various files. So what it will take is plain text. It'll take PDF. Did it say it takes RTF? Let's go back and look. TXF and PDF. So those are two ways that you could get a document into or loaded on here. You'd load that file, then it's going to download, usually to a download folder or something like that as a PDF or text, and then you could upload those. So I am going to look at your physics on this. Email me if you have any questions about the format. This again is today, this Monday is just going to be experimental. I'm going to make a Google Meet for us on Tuesday to discuss the results and give you a little bit of information about what do I know about the AP test coming to us in May 14th. It looks interesting, so let's talk about it on Tuesday.